Hello guys, welcome back to our channel VFXBeauty, and today I'm gonna be showing you how to get this look. It's a smoky eye with a soft cut crease on it, and I had some requests to do this look. I had previously posted on my Instagram, but it was with a pop of yellow. So today I decided to make the exact same look with the same things. The only thing I changed was instead of the yellow eyeshadow, it's gonna be like a pinkish shimmery shade. I think it's more like everyday look with this, but you can add any pop of color. It can be fuchsia, pink, purple, yellow, blue, teal, whatever you want. So stay tuned. It's super easy, and you can really customize this. If this is too strong for you, it's too bold, what you do is change the black eyeshadow for a brownish shade or something like that. If you're new to this channel, my name is Mikaela, and I invite you to subscribe and hit the like button. So the first thing I'm gonna do is grab my black eyeshadow from the VFXcosmetics, one of the first palettes they got. It can be any black eyeshadow you have, honestly, as long as it's, black. Unless you don't want to do this look with black eyeshadow, then you can change it for another shade, like a brown shade or something like that, that is more like your style. But I really like black eyeliner, black everything. So pack it on the outer corner and extend it through your lid. I am not extending it too far into my eye, just as a preference, but the cup crease, usually you have to extend the darker shade up to, through the eye. I'm not doing that in here because I want to keep it like softer. Now I'm gonna grab brownish shade from the same melt palette, and I'm gonna use this brown shade to blend the outer edges of the black eyeshadow, because we don't want hard edges in our makeup. I don't want the black to look like too, like it's by force in there, like sharp, so we create like a smooth transition with it. So now I'm taking a flat fluffy brush from Clinique. I'm gonna pat in again the black eyeshadow in, because every time you blend, you take a little bit of intensity away. So it's like a never-ending story. You blend, you add, you blend, you add. But it's part of the process, it's part of the fun. So I'm just intensifying the black, and I'm gonna do it even further in the video. I'm gonna intensify it even more. After that, it's time to kind of cut our crease. I'm gonna be using Instant Age Rewind by Maybelline. So it's my first time trying this concealer. I like it so far. So on this part, be patient with yourself. Take your time. Like cutting the crease is not exactly like a beginner thing, but it's not impossible. I mean, it's part of the challenge. It's nice. You can get nice effects with it. So now I'm going back again with the black and the brownish shade to make the edges soft and nice again. I just have a thing for blending. I am terrified to not get a blended edge. And then I'm gonna grab my favorite shade, Amelie, and I'm gonna apply it on the part of my eye where I applied the concealer. I'm gonna do this with my fingers because this type of soft shimmery shades look best, or they give you the best color payoff when you actually use your fingers or when you wet your brush, which I'm gonna do later on. absolutely love this Jumbo Eye Pencil by NYX. I have many shades of this, the red, the blue, the black. So I usually use this when I want to make blacker black, which is almost always. What I love about this is that it's creamy and you can blend it with your fingers or with a brush. Once it's set, it stays there, but it's a very intense black pencil, and I can't put in words how much I love this NYX white pencil. I wouldn't live without it. I don't think I can. Then I'm gonna go back with the brush. I'm gonna wear it as I told you before, and I'm gonna get a better color payoff that you're gonna see right there. You see how the color is just more intense. It's like more opaque, for sort of speaking. Now it's time to look up and get under the eye. I'm using like I don't know the name of the brush, but it's like a very stiff pencil brush, and I usually use this when I want to get color in my under eye without looking like a panda, because the application is very precise. But usually even a blending brush works for this, so use whatever brush you got. But yeah, I just want to make sure that the under eye is well defined. I'm gonna be using here the black and also the brown again with the blending brush. I'm just gonna squeeze the blending brush with my fingers so it's not so fluffy, because I don't want to have the brown shade on my cheeks. So the camera didn't want to cooperate there, sorry, but you know what I'm doing. I'm just squeezing the blending brush to get it flat and going in like a pro. Oh yeah. Just forget the last part, okay? So this is pretty much done. I just had to copy and paste on the other side, which is pretty easy. And add mascara, eyeliner, and we are good to go. So because the eyes were too bold, I decided to go for a nude lipstick by Melt also, since I'm using everything Melt. That lipstick shade is called Nude, and I really like it. I hadn't used it in a long time, but it goes well with those colors. And that's it. That's the look already done. As you can tell, it's super easy. I think the hardest part is the cut crease, the concealer part, but everything else is super easy and you can customize it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and give us a like. See you on the next. Love you. Bye.